All right, today I have a Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to this particular Chevy Trailblazer. Okay, you need windshield washer fluid because it runs low, as it says right here. It is running low. Okay, so in order to add it, I'm going to show you. But before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, cool. So what you're going to do is you make sure your vehicle is in park. It is on a flat surface. All right. And if you want to, go ahead and pull up the turn on the parking brake, because that is for extra caution right there to make sure the parking brake is on. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn the vehicle off, and then I'm going to open the door. And when I open the door, I'll look down right here, and you see this lever right here is for the hood. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this. Heard that pop? And once you heard that pop, you're going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. All right, and in the front of the vehicle, you'll see that there is a safety latch right here. You have to search for the safety latch, push it to the side right here. It unlocks. And then I'll put this stick into place right here. Safety stick into place. Hood is open, and then I'll look to the left. I think Beyonce has a song about that. But anyway, the reservoir is right here, and the universal symbol shows that right here. So what you'll do is you'll lift that up, and then you'll pour the fluid inside of that to fill it up. And after you're done, close it. Voila. You come back here, and you will lift up kickstand and shut the hood. And that is how you add windshield washer fluid to a Chevy Trailblazer. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.